for the car. I mean, it's not like any parts or anything. It's just like important documentation for it. But how y'all been doing? I mean, I'm trying to come y'all with some more energy today, y'all. So I've been trying to get a lot of energy lately for y'all. You know, just keep y'all engaged. Maybe this will wake y'all up. All right, so we got the first emblem out. Now, it's time to put the second one in. I want to see how this is gonna look, cause at nighttime I know this is gonna look so killer. I know it's gonna look killer, and I cannot wait to take videos of this at nighttime. We got Loud Crew right here. That's who's helping. You make sure, yep, go follow him on Instagram. Go ahead and start the project car. No, y'all remember. Go ahead and start her up. Woo! She started right up.
And it's here to help with digital tools to help you save and verbal experts.
Copyright, champ. This thing nice, man. I can't wait to do a build on it. We gotta replace that, so we're gonna. The car got some work to be done. I mean, as y'all know, but it feels like a BMW. You leave it on for right now? I was coming back here to see what all that tussling was. Sound like a whole bunch of tools flying all over the place.
It's like a drill bit. Bad news is just look how big it is.
Good news and bad news. We found the drill bit, but it's too freaking big. We still got the project car. That I don't think I showed y'all. I showed the story, but I guess that I have the wrong front. Front grill. So it's like I guess the emblem is not trying to go in. So that's very irritating. It's get up under my skin right now. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's really eating at me right now. So here's the problem that I'm facing right now. Got that emblem out, right? This one right here. It's too. Oh, okay. I see what he's talking about now. He was saying cut the black part. Got all kinds of action going on out here. We got the oil catch cans trying to get put on. I'm trying to put my light on. It's a lot going on. Close that, because y'all don't need to see none of that back there. We're trying to figure out different ways to put it on. If you want to figure out how to fix stuff, don't come to this channel. We can fix stuff, but like stuff that we ain't never done before. You know, it take a little time, champ. You know what I'm saying? Like it take time to figure it out. So we got to figure something out, figure out what works best for us type. But you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, it's like look at Zero Motorsports, something like that. Y'all want to figure something out? I don't know. So unfortunately, we couldn't get the emblem in. So I think I'm just going to order a new grill or something like that. So you know what I'm saying? But now, time to get an oil change. Sunroof all the way back. So earlier, when I had the sunroof back, it rained last night or whatever, I guess. And now, whenever I brake, the water was coming from up there, and it just like got me drenched. It was pretty funny. I'm not even gonna lie, but I'll see y'all when we get to Firestone. Wow. What's the dealio Martilio, man? How you been feeling? How they killing you today? Tell me about it. I was trying to put my LED light in on the front. Didn't feel like I got to get a new grill. So, yeah. I ain't never heard a siren like that. I used to hear something like that. Don't worry, y'all. Go Power Rangers. You ain't making no noise back there. Where are your sirens at? I think it's illegal to ride with your lights on and no siren. The police and they be thinking they real slick with that. Boy, Silky Silk. What up, my boy? What's going on? Chillin'?
Man, living the dream. I'm sad though.
What's going on? What up?
Damn the life of a Hemi lover, you know?
Us Hemi lovers, man. Hey.
Same thing happened to yours, happened to mine.
At least I think yours, you can bring yours back though, right?
But the thing is, I was already wanting to take the engine out, so it said, oh, you want to take the engine out of me? I'm going to give you a reason. Quicker.
Y'all stay tuned for the build for the 300, cause
I don't know, but I want to have it running 7s or 6s at the quarter mile.
7s and 6s at the quarter mile and a 300. That's the goal. You see him over there. Y'all about to walk with me to withdraw some money from Kroger because we need to. That way we can go put the deposit on this stuff that I've been telling y'all about. Right, made it to Kroger. Let's go in here and try to withdraw this money, y'all. US Bank. Let's try the tap method. Whoa, I didn't even know y'all could do that. So it refused to do it the first time, so they better give me my card back now that I put it in. They told me to insert it, so hopefully it works this time. gonna see. Oh, give me my card, please. Thank you. Come on, come on, come on. Give me my money. My money. Enjoy a little nice walk and talk. There's been a hold up on the things that I've been trying to get for the vehicle, right? Reason being because not only was I like not fully prepared, like just in case, but the main reason being that because the government doesn't want to give anybody back their money. I kid you not. They withheld $3,100, right? Withheld $3,100 from me. And that's a decent amount. And then they only gave me like $100 something back. I mean, I'm not tripping over it because I really I made a little bit more, or a lot more than what they thought I was gonna make last year. It's fine by me, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I ain't finna let you, no, champ. But yeah, man, so I wasn't really just fully prepared for what was going on, but it is what it is. They're still gonna get paid for. It's a lot of money. So y'all should definitely watch the videos. Get these videos to like 100 views each or so. That way we can start getting monetized, man, because my watch hours, they getting there, but they ain't there yet. I need y'all help, dog. I need y'all help helping me out, so you feel me? I'm saying, champ. Another thing, these 300s be looking so good, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, I almost had a newer 300, but I needed a cosigner at the time. I didn't have any credit. Like, I had like credit, but I didn't have enough credit history or nothing like that. Hold on. My baby finna get worked on. She finna get done. Look, that look too good in the back. She up in the air now. We're about to conduct the science experiment. So enjoy. Y'all like my glasses? Y'all like my how I look working in the shop?
Drag racing.
With me doing what?
I said we don't want no back outs. That's a lot of vibration. But you be drag racing.
No, I don't. I don't do none of that. Don't listen to him, y'all. I don't know what he talking about. Don't do none of that. No, I go to Mexico and I still do speed limit 55, champ.
You do the speed limit?
55.
You do the speed limit, y'all.
Yeah, we still do 55.
Ain't nothing I say.
Do y'all see how dark my oil is?
Then you don't do no drag racing.
Ooh! They bringing my baby up. He wanted to hear it roar a little bit. Brought out, she changed, fresh on oil. I'm going to let that on back again. We back again, and I'm in my ends. Now it's time to officially be on the way to put this little deposit down. Then I think probably after that we're probably gonna get some gas or something, you know, like some little cheap gas. You know what I'm saying, champ? Yo, every time I shoot, it just sounds like gunshots. Listen. I remember I was trying to get a car over there, but they was really taxing. They was like taxing for real. So I'm debating if I should show y'all just how good my wheels look because they just arrived. Yeah, they arrived a few days ago and they just been sitting here. So yeah, man. Y'all gonna like these. Here they are. That's how they look on camera. Like in person, these things are nasty, bro. They are absolutely insane. I'm kind of like shaking a little bit from looking at them. These things look absolutely amazing. All right, so I hope that y'all enjoyed the little sneak peek of that. I might just make that like a little, I might be childish, make it like a little 1 second sneak peek, 2 second sneak peek or something like that. Just so I can be still on me. Yeah. So we had to make a pit stop at Chick-fil-A. I was finna wait on everybody else, but it don't look like that's about to happen. Go ahead. Why did the chicken cross the road? I don't know. Bag secured.
I ain't seen it in a long game.
Bro, it's like 80 degrees outside. What was you talking about? He got baby Finn out. Got baby Finn out. Supposed to go.
What's up, y'all? Well, this twice days go West End, Nashville, Tennessee. Y'all check out my house.
You feel me? So this is very unfortunate, but grind don't stop. I was wondering where that boy was. There you go. I mean, y'all, this is the most bizarre weather. Like, literally, it was just like pouring down cats and dogs, and I could walk out here and it's barely sprinkling. You have to make it make sense, Nashville. Yo.
What's up?
What up, though?
I forgot you got your bandana in the back of your car.
The train.
Looking like some.
Man, we got to, oh, he's backing up. Whoa.
You don't get a kid tonight.
Butterfly doors.
So we got a Gallardo. I don't know what kind of blue this is. It's an auto, which I like the autos in these. I'm not gonna lie, I like the autos. We got the Hellcat Octane Underscore Beauty. I mean, it looks pretty good. I think we got Aston Martin on the inside and the STO that I saw, so we'll have to go check that out. So we have a beautiful brand new STO in here. It's like brand spanking new. The stairwell cover still on there. This thing is insane. It looks gorgeous in here. And brand new, champ. This thing got seats.
I thought it was Wildcats, but it's not wild.
Oh no,
It's the same
his
blue.
blue and yellow. His is blue and yellow. This is insane. Yo, great conference though. Got the BMW, got the DBS Supergel. They got some pretty nice cars. C2 Exotic. They got the DBS. Baby, you got DBS in it.
Now look, cause I know I want it. You look at it.
So be sure to go wish him a happy birthday. That man just turned 15. That's insane.
I turned 13.
You turned 13. That's crazy. That's crazy. 13 is crazy. The thing I really tell y'all is that I really love how functional the roof scoop is, feeding directly into us. It's just giving the engine air and room to breathe. It's not really directly, it's not forced induction to the engine, but it is something that is necessary for engine heat and stuff of that nature, with all the vent openings and stuff like that. So I think that's pretty cool to see with the STOs. The seats are also one of my favorites. The STO stitching, I think it's I would say they're not Recaros. They have a digital dash in the middle, like a little screen on the center console. It says yellow brake calipers. It's pretty sweet. Here, looking at all this motivation, just wait till I get my 765, dude. I really want a 765 LT so bad. Or either a Huracan to start out with. The Huracans are underrated, and they're the most reliable car out there in the supercar world, hands down. It's an R8, but they're the same exact chassis, just two different name brands.